The interesting part about this program, the Academy of Advanced Manufacturing, is it separates itself because, number one, it's filling a void in the manufacturing world. We're filling a skills gap. But the other part of it is we're employing men and women who sacrificed for the country.
We're partnering with Rockwell Automation, which brings their fantastic engineering training program to bear. And Manpower Group is bringing our ability to source and recruit, assess, and provide professional skills training for these veterans.
We're going to take people that on day one had some understanding and technical capability because they did some incredibly technical roles in the military, that over the course of the 12 weeks will learn to be pretty darn close to experts in automation and advanced manufacturing.
I was in the Army, and I was a 14 Tango, which is a Patriot Air Defense Artillery.
I was a communication, navigation, and mission systems technician for the Air Force.
When I first got out, I was looking at the job boards, and I actually saw, a lot of jobs out there for automation and manufacturing. I'm like, oh, okay. I've got the electronics experience. I don't know anything about PLCs or HMIs or any of this stuff at all.
I had to start from scratch. I got contacted. They were really excited. I was really excited. And I said, hey, you know what? This program seems like it was made just for me. Not only for veterans, but it's in the industry, the manufacturing industry, with the controls and automation, which is something I've always wanted to do, but I was never able to get into it.
I came here from working in the automotive industry. I saw where just the production industry itself was going in the direction through the use of automation. I wanted to be able to keep up with the times and the change.
This program has given us a huge jump start. They've essentially taken 4, 5, 6 months of training and compressed them into 3. So it, as they say, has been like drinking from the fire hose.
You get the foundation and you just keep going from there. And everything's tied into stuff that we did this like the first, second week. And it's, I'm much more confident now in what we've learned than, I was when we started. And it just keeps growing with every lab, every practical exercise, every test that we do.
From day one to now is totally different as far as my knowledge base. I had zero knowledge on automation, PLCs, drives, motors, HMIs, anything to do with automation, zero knowledge. Now, I'm not gonna say I'm an expert by any means, but I know much more than I did before.
This program, it's different because we're going out to customers and sharing with them the story of the program. That's at the front end of the process. When we share that story, pretty universally, they embrace the concept and want to be part of it. And then at the back end, they come back a few weeks later for placement days where they get the opportunity to sit down with those candidates, interview them, and make hiring decisions.
The interviews went great. The companies kept it as like a conversation, and that put me at ease.
Right now, I'm looking at 2 companies, 2 different roles. One role I have is a shift manager, and I'm also looking at a position more of a engineering technician type of role. I feel like I'm going to excel in either. I don't know what the future holds. I know it's all going to be good and exciting.
I'm very confident in working in this field. Everything that I've learned from this program has been in line with what the companies are looking for. And yeah, I'm confident that I'll fit right in, and I'm confident in my skills of what I've learned.
I never dreamed I'd have the opportunity, and now that I'm in it, and now that I've participated, and now that I'm doing what I'm doing, once I leave here, this is a springboard to the rest of my professional life.
It's not just about the program participants' accomplishments. That's incredibly great. And the fact that they're going to have great jobs, and some of them will triple their income, literally in 12 weeks, triple their income, is an enormously powerful story. But beyond that, they've set a great foundation for hundreds, and hopefully thousands of veterans to come downstream.
I felt a sense of being important. I felt a sense of pride, and more importantly for me, like being useful to somebody.
It's great to just see the culmination of it all. Just being able to see and look back and be like, over the last 3 months, we went from 14 individuals who weren't too sure what was going on or really what was being expected of us to now being able to go out and say that the 14 of us have successfully completed the pilot course of the Academy of Advanced Manufacturing.